Let me show you something. I'm going to ask Claude the exact same question twice. Same question, two completely different ways. And the difference in output is going to change how you use AI forever. So let me screen record and open Claude. I will write, help me write a professional email to a client. Look at what comes back. It's generic, but it's fine. However, it can belong to anyone, a banker in New York, a student in Karachi. That's because Claude doesn't know who you are, what you do, and who you're talking to. Now let's type in the same question, but in a different way. I'm going to paste my master prompt here, and I'm going to write the same request. Help me write a professional email to a client. Same question, but look at the output because now it knows my industry. It knows who I'm talking to. It knows my tone and also my client type. It knows what I'm trying to achieve and it sounds like me. The difference? That's the entire video. Here's the problem with how 90% of people use AI. They treat it like a stranger. Whether they use Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, or any other AI tool, they start from scratch every single time. No context, no direction, no detail. And then they wonder why the output feels flat and generic. Think of it this way. Imagine you hired the smartest consultant in the world. Brilliant, excellent, capable of doing things. But every morning, they wake up with zero memory of who you are. They don't remember your name, business, goals, tone, voice, or anything else. How useful do you think they would be? Not very. And that's exactly what happens when you use AI without a master prompt. A master prompt is a one time document that tells any AI tool everything about you, your identity, goals, context, style, audience, and challenges. You build it once and you use it forever. But here's the thing, you need to update it as your tone, style, and goals evolve. But as soon as you start using your master prompt, AI stops being your generic assistant and it becomes your personal thinking partner. And today I'm going to show you how you can build a master prompt across three different areas of your life. So, what goes into a master prompt? Every powerful master prompt has five layers. I call it the IGTSA framework. Identity, who you are, your role, your background, your unique positioning, goals, what you're trying to achieve, short term and long term, tone and style, how you communicate, your voice, energy, and how you want AI to respond, specifics, the details that make your situation unique. Ask AI to ask you. You instruct AI to ask clarifying questions before it answers, so it fills in any gaps itself. The last one is what separates a good prompt from a great one. You're not just giving AI generic information, you're teaching it how to think for your specific situation. So let's start with business. Let me show you my actual master prompt, the one I use every single day as a business setup consultant in Dubai. I'm not going to read it all out to you because it's 4 pages long, but I'm going to show it on my screen right now. Let's look at what's in here. 6 sections. Who I am, my business, every service I offer, free zone, mainland, visas, VAT, banking, compliance, every free zone partner I work with, every business center I operate from, my clients, their nationalities, their business types, whether they're first time owners or experienced. AI knows that 60% of my clients have never set up a business before. That changes everything about how it writes for me. My goals and challenges. AI knows my biggest competitor problem, my tone. Straight to the point, warm but professional. Trusted advisor energy, no fluff. And why clients choose me over cheaper competitors. Let me show you an example of the output that Claude provides me when I give it an instruction along with the master prompt. So I will write, a client just messaged me, they got a cheaper quote from another company. Write me a response that handles this objection and reinforces our value without sounding defensive. Watch what Claude does. It doesn't give me a generic sales script. It pulls from my actual differentiators, end-to-end service, 3 business centers in Dubai, remote handling, post-sales support, and personal availability. It writes in my tone, warm, direct, and no fluff. Now that response, I can send it right now. No editing is required. Now that's what happens when Claude knows about you before you even ask the question. Let's move to personal finances next. Let me show you how the same concept is applied to your finances. Most people ask Claude how to save money, and they get a generic 10-step list that can apply to anyone on the entire planet. Here's what a finance master prompt looks like instead. Now let's give Claude the task of planning a 12-month saving and investment plan. Now what comes back is not a generic savings tip list. It's a structured and personalized plan built around your numbers, your timeline, and your goals. It knows where you are, so it factors specific financial tools. It knows your income and expenses, so it builds a realistic plan. And it knows your goal, so it structures your investment accordingly. Same AI, but completely different output because you gave it context. Now let's move on to content creation. This is the last one, and it's for the people who are looking to build a brand, a channel, a newsletter, or a social presence. Without a master prompt, if you ask Claude for any sort of help, it will always start from scratch. It doesn't know your niche, your audience, or even your style. The content it will produce can be written by anyone, and that's not how you build trust in your audience. Now, here's an example of a content creator master prompt. Now, let's ask Claude to write a YouTube video about morning routines. Compare that output to what you'd get without a master prompt. It's not just a better script, it's your script built for your audience in your voice, but quicker and more structured. Now, let's build your master prompt in under 10 minutes. You don't need to overthink this. Open Claude right now and use this exact prompt. I will leave this prompt in the description box down below for you to copy and paste. Now Claude will ask you questions, you answer them, and it will build the master prompt for you. Save it and use it every single time. And watch the quality of the output Claude produces completely transform. Just one disclaimer, your master prompt is a living document. It's not set and forget. Every time that something significant changes in your life, new job, new goals, new audience, new strategy, you have to update it. The more current and specific it is, the more powerful your AI tools will be. Think of it like briefing a team member. The better your briefing, the better their work. AI is no different. Now let's bring it home. Most people use AI like a stranger. You now know how to use it as a partner. The IGTSA Master Prompt Framework: identity, goals, tone and style, specifics, ask Claude to ask you. One document, built once, changes everything. Your free master prompt template is available for you to download in the description box down below. And if this video was helpful, you will love the video that I made on the comparison of ChatGPT and Claude. Subscribe if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.